Let's study English with movies.
Today, speak English like an action hero.
In 3 easy steps.
Listen, read, repeat.
Take charge like Arnold Schwarzenegger with this phrase from the Terminator. Stay here. I'll be back.
Stay here. I'll be back. Stay here. I'll be back.
Hasta la vista, baby was another famous line from the Terminator.
Hasta la vista, baby. Hasta la vista, baby.
You Can't Handle the Truth was made famous in A Few Good Men.
You can't handle the truth! You can't handle the truth!
Our next phrase was made famous in the sci-fi action movie They Live.
I'm here to kick ass and chew bubblegum. I'm here to kick ass and chew bubblegum.
And our final phrase today is by Clint Eastwood from the Dirty Harry series.
Go ahead. Make my day.
Go ahead. Make my day. Go ahead. Make my day.
Speak English like a hero. With your friends at the English Conversation Club.